Senator Mohamud.
Riu ni utheri Samuel Pogisio niwe mutongoria wa rigi thiini wa bunge ya Senate na Irungu Kang'ata niwe muhuri mucarica wa rigi bunge-ini no thutha wa Spika wa bunge no Kenneth Lusaka kuhitukia guthurwo kwa thutha wa kiama kia Jubilee kuonia murango Kipchumba Murkomen na Susan Kihika aria maranyitiriire iturwa ici. Ona thengia wa aria ya kwandikira Spika makiregana na kuhagurwo kwa Lusaka ugite mitaratara yothe nirarumirirwo na namba ya senators irabataranagia kumahagura nirariho na ugo hatiri undu ungi otiga gwitikira mogaruruku macio.
Let's show that 20 senators attended the meeting and resolved unanimously to 1. Remove the current leader of majority, Senator Kipchumba Murkomen, in accordance with Standing Order 19.5. B. Remove the current majority whip, Senator Susan Kihika, in accordance with Senate Standing Order 19.5. C. Elect Senator Samuel Pogisio as Senate Majority Leader. D. Elect Senator Irungu Kang'ata as Senate Majority Whip.
Ona kuri uguo ndoyo ndono yona njira huthu ni Murkomen gukwa kiorotereria Lusaka njara na kuga ni kuhinyiririo ahinyiririo ekire muhuri kuhagurwo kwao.
Speaker, we were told not even 15 people should meet. Yet we are told that about 20 people met in State House to plot out to remove Murkomen. You have been pushed to a corner to make that decision. Mr. Speaker, I'd like to say this.
Order, Senator.
Mr. Speaker,
what's your point of order?
Mr. Speaker, I am the one who is affected by this decision. So,
if Mr. Murkomen, Senator Murkomen, wants to proceed to be part of this House, he should have no alternative but withdraw those remarks that he has made about you personally.
Ona kuri uguo urugari na gicanjama itumukire giikaro-ini kia umuthi thiini wa bunge no Murkomen na kiregana na kuhagurwo gwake gukwagiukira na njira nene mutongoria wa bururi Uhuru Kenyatta akiuga mathina make mothe maumanite nake.
The greatest achievement of the President of Kenya is to demonstrate to the people of this country that I have removed my majority leader. I'm a big man. Mr. Speaker, the President is already a big man. I am just but a son of a squatter, born and brought up in Embobut, to be a subject of his discussion over and over again. I want to say, Mr. President, now therefore deliver for the people of Kenya. Murkomen is out of the way. If I was your stumbling block, deliver for the people of Kenya.
Dore otumire okirirwo na njira nene ni senators aria angi.
I was the only reason, Mr. Speaker, that Senate was not being protected. I want to say, Mr. Speaker, that it is time. Mr. Speaker, it is time.
There's a point of order.
I want to conclude, Mr. Speaker.
There's a point of order.
If he wishes to accuse the president, then it is time for him to make a substantive motion to that effect. Is it in order for him to discuss the president and his conduct?
Itua ria kuhagurwo gwake kana Murkomen rakinyanirio muthenya wa ira thutha wa giikaro gatagati ka mutongoria wa bururi na senators za Jubilee o ndomwe na KANU undu uyu ukionania ikinya ria mbere ria gutheria nyumba ya Jubilee mbere ya githurano kinene kia mwaka wa 2022.
Tell them you can celebrate, you can cheer, you can be happy. I will be coming back and coming back big.
Ona kuri uguo undu uyu ni utanyitwo kurehe nditumurano hiu kiharo-ini gia kiuteti uriri ndugu gatagati ka mutongoria wa bururi na munini wake William Ruto ethiete na mbere kugagaya.